Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and we're here with another video. Alright, so this is a apartment complex. I literally learned about it the other day through a subscriber. They wanted to see the progress, and as I said, I personally didn't know about it. So that's why I depend on you guys to share what you know. So I'm here today just to show some first glimpses. So again guys, if you're new to the channel, you guys know the drill. Remember to subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Remember to like, remember to comment, and remember to share. Also follow me on Instagram, Raymore Reviews-Jamaica. So it looks like 4-story with a balcony, and this is 6 Winston Avenue, right off Oak Road. If you guys are interested, there's a realtor sign here. That's Jillian Zaka. Alright, so I think there was an open house the other day, but I missed the open house, but just wanted to show you guys some glimpses nevertheless. There's another open house. I'll try my best to be here. We have another neighboring apartment over here. So Remax sign. So I have a drive-in gate, a walk-in gate, security post. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drive out to the main road, that's Oak Road, so you guys can see exactly where we are, because it's not really much to see right now. Alright guys, so that was a quick first look from the channel. First I'm covering this property. Not very big, but decent size. So this is Winston Avenue, and the property is 6 Winston Avenue. So we're going back out to the main, that's Oak Road, so you guys can see exactly where we are. Oak Road, you guys should have a better understanding now of where we are and a better knowledge of where we are. Legani is just up the road, but I'm heading in the direction of Halfway Tree, so I'm gonna make this U-turn. And again guys, leave your comment. I know at this point we're not able to see a lot in terms of that property, but let me know what you think about the design, location, amenities, which we don't know much as well, but I'm sure that you guys in the comment section will definitely share some more information. And again, once they have like an open house and I can go in, I'll do that for you guys as well. Remember to like the video guys, share, go over to Instagram, This where you see regular pictures and updates. Alright, so I'm heading in the direction of Alpha Tree. And we're now going over the intersection of East Kings House Road and Lady Musgrave Road, along with Old Hope Road. We just passed TGIF. Alright, so we're now passing the Andrews Memorial Hospital. They have a dental clinic, imaging center, laboratory, lithotripsy center, outpatient clinic, pharmacy, physiotherapy center, maternity ward. So it's a private hospital, Andrews Memorial Hospital, very close to Alpha Tree. And then we'd have Devon House on the right with their infamous Devon House ice cream. And then we're at this another major stoplight, which is the intersection of Hope Road, Waterloo Road, and Trafalgar Road. Here you'll have the windscreen wipers. I guess they work on shifts because they're always here. Alright guys, so as usual, thanks for the support, thanks for clicking on this video, thanks for watching, and thanks in advance for subscribing if you're new, for liking, commenting, or sharing. So I'll definitely see you guys on another apartment update or new construction update, or it could just be a driving video. Thanks for the support.